a video. This is the second part of batch, fed batch, and continuous fermentation. And this is the bacterial strain, and they talk about um, E. coli, ATCC, and then they also talk about ampicillin concentration of 0.1 grams per liter. And then they talk about media preparation. Um, The complex medium was a water solution containing 47.6 gram per liter terrific broth modified 0.4% volume per volume glycerol and 0.3% volume per volume antifoam 204, which is a mixture of organic polyether dispersions. We prepared 10 times citrate phosphate buffer, 100 times trace element solution, thiamine, vitamin B1 stock solution, and magnesium sulfate stock solution in advance, as described in the appendix. For each run, we first filled the vessel with a DI water solution containing citrate phosphate buffer and antifoam. After autoclave sterilization, we aseptically added magnesium sulfate stock solution and then 100 times trace element solution and thiamine stock solution to a vessel. Glucose and ampicillin were also aseptically added to reach a final concentration of 90 grams per liter and 0.1 grams per liter. For fed batch fermentation, we use chemically defined medium as well as described in table A1. We prepared 1.5 liter feeding medium containing magnesium sulfate, thiamine, trace elements, and 614 grams per liter glucose. For continuous fermentation, the preparation of chemically defined medium was almost the same as for fed batch fermentation, except the volume per citrate phosphate buffer and the original total volume to start with. Uh, the one the For fed batch fermentation, we use chemically defined medium as well as we prepared 1.5-liter feeding medium containing this citric phosphate buffer. Anyhow, so for fed batch, uh, they used 0.4% volume per volume glycerol, and then for a chemically defined medium containing 90 grams per liter glucose, citrate phosphate buffer, magnesium sulfate, thiamine, and trace element. Chemically defined medium containing 15 grams per liter glucose, citrate phosphate buffer, magnesium sulfate, thiamine, and trace element. So the only difference here between batch fermentation medium is they use zero point 0.4. So I guess here they use 614 very high concentrated uh, medium, and then this is also high concentrated, but the initial culture medium, feeding medium is high concentrated, culture medium is not that much. Inoculum preparation. For inoculum preparation, 14.28 grams terrific broth modified and 1.2 ml glycerol were dissolved in DI water to make a total volume of 300 ml and sterilized through autoclaving. After cooling to room temperature, we transferred 150 ml of the medium and added 3 ml of the. For inoculation preparation, 14.28 grams terrific broth modified and 1.2 ml glycerol were dissolved in DI water to make a total volume of 300 ml and sterilized through autoclaving. For inoculation preparation, 14.28 grams terrific broth modified and 1.2 ml glycerol were dissolved in DI water to make a total volume of 300 ml and are sterilized through autoclaving. After cooling to room temperature, we transferred 150 ml of the medium and added 3 ml of the zero point 0.2 micrometer membrane filtration sterilized 50 times ampicillin stock solution to each of the two 500 ml sterile Erlenmeyer flask.